Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your software with Adobe, full guide step by step clearly. Protecting your software with Adobe requires a systematic approach. First, start by assessing the type of software you are developing. Determine the specific vulnerabilities associated with your software. Next, choose the appropriate Adobe product for your security needs. For document security, consider Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. For creative software, Adobe Creative Cloud offers various protection features. Install the selected Adobe software on your device. Open the application and navigate to the security settings. For Adobe Acrobat, look for the Protect option in the right-hand menu. Select Encrypt to apply password protection to your documents. Set a strong password that is difficult to guess. You can also select permissions to restrict printing and editing. For digital signatures, use the Certificates feature. This allows you to sign documents to verify their authenticity. If you are using Creative Cloud, ensure your files are backed up to the cloud. Use the Version History feature to keep track of changes. Review the sharing settings for collaborative projects. Limit access to trusted collaborators only. Consider using Adobe's Content Authenticity Initiative for digital content. This helps maintain the integrity and origin of your work. Regularly update your Adobe software for the latest security features. Monitor your software for any unusual activity or breaches. Establish a response plan in case of a security incident. Educate your team on best security practices related to Adobe tools. Conduct periodic reviews of your security measures. By following these steps, you can effectively protect your software with Adobe. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.